Local content's most trusted infrastructure operations and maintenance companies. Infrastructure operations and maintenance (O&M) companies keep the world's most critical assets operating safely, efficiently, and reliably throughout their life cycle. From utilities, power plants, renewable energy facilities, battery storage systems, data centers, transportation networks, water and wastewater systems, manufacturing plants, and commercial buildings to ports and telecommunications infrastructure, these companies provide the expertise needed to maximize performance, reduce downtime, extend asset life, and ensure long-term operational resilience. But not every infrastructure operations and maintenance company and its local supplier, workforce, and community partners deliver the same value. For infrastructure owners, utilities, governments, developers, investors, manufacturers, commercial real estate owners, and facility operators, choosing the right O&M partner requires more than technical expertise. The most trusted companies demonstrate operational excellence, safety, regulatory readiness, responsible procurement, local supplier participation, workforce development, and measurable community benefits, while helping clients improve reliability, reduce operating costs, and maximize long-term asset performance. Before selecting an infrastructure operations and maintenance partner, ask 3 important questions. How will your services create opportunities for local suppliers and small businesses? What measurable workforce and community benefits does your organization deliver? How do you improve operational performance while maintaining safety, reliability, and long-term asset value? While every infrastructure asset has unique operational requirements, the answers reveal whether a company is simply maintaining facilities or creating lasting value for the organizations and communities it serves. Local content is the measurable economic value created through local suppliers, local workforce, and community benefits. Local content's most trusted infrastructure operations and maintenance companies list. Part of the Local Content Most Trusted Companies program recognizes organizations that complete additional due diligence, demonstrating leadership in operational excellence, responsible procurement, workforce development, stakeholder engagement, safety, and measurable local economic impact. Explore the local content